So in today's episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the Koda 16 to cook veggies. So we're gonna do like a fire roasted Brussels sprouts, and then we're also gonna do a beautiful pork chop on the Grizzler. So stay tuned guys, you do not wanna miss this. What we have here, so this right here, you guys, is we have some Brussels sprouts. They're cut and quartered. There's salt and pepper, olive oil on them. Also too, right here, these are pork chops. I took the pork chops, I took them, put them in a plastic bag, I pounded them out, and then I added some garlic salt, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Super easy today. So this right here, this is the Koda 16. It's actually all fired up right now and it looks good. So what we're going to be doing is, this is on a high heat. Actually, this is on a low heat right here. So we're firing on a low heat. Temperature wise for this guy, temperature is about 700 degrees, and in the way back over there it's about 830. So let's go ahead and take the pork chops and let's go ahead and do a nice little sear on them, okay? Put these little puppies right here. Ooh, nice and hot. So I'm gonna put this right here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the first little sear. All right guys, so this is the first time doing this. I don't know how it's gonna come out, of course. So again, that's how we learn. But hey, if it's good, we'll rock and roll with this thing. So it's cooking off nicely. So after about a minute, we're gonna go ahead and take this out and see what it looks like. Look at that, perfect. So you can tell it's got some color already. We are going to rotate the steaks beautifully in there. Also going to turn it up just a tad. Get some good color on it. Oh, I'm so excited for this, you guys. It's going to be awesome. In the description, I will list the ingredients of everything and what I did. That way you guys can see that. I probably should have used some canola oil, but I didn't. But it's okay, because it's actually not sticking that bad. So I'm gonna pull this out and rotate now. It's so hot, it's beautiful. All right, this one's ready to be flipped now. Should pull clean, there we go. So I'm gonna rotate this over. I'm gonna put this guy right here. Yep. And we're gonna go like that. Just trying to cook it nice and even. Let's put it back in there. All right. So, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but a lot of this food can be cooked in the Koda 16. I haven't seen any videos showing how to cook veggies and stuff. So this is gonna be pretty awesome to see this. All right, let's check it out. 30 seconds, let's see if it needs to be turned. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see what the temp of the deck is. 377, so it came down pretty good. That meets like 500 degrees. We are almost ready to rumble, guys. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's see if we're done. You guys really want to be really careful with this because it does get pretty hot. But again, just try it out on a cold surface first before you start busting out the flavor. Okay, that looks delicious. So let's go ahead and plate this up. Take it and just plate it right here. So those look beautiful. Perfect. Delicious. All right, guys, so now we're gonna do the Brussels sprouts, okay? Brussels sprouts are coming up. So this is how I like to do my Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna take this right here, I'm just gonna dump it into the oven, and let's just see how it looks. Perfect. Again, we won't know if this is gonna work or not. It might catch fire, who knows, but I'm kind of determined to do fire roasted veggies on this thing. So we're gonna play up here. I might be playing with the heat a little bit, might be turning it down a little bit, but I'm gonna keep a close eye on that right now. Let's go ahead and take a little peek. Oh, it looks beautiful. So we're gonna do a nice little rotate. Oh, that's perfect. Cool. This is going. Oh, this Brussels sprouts. So I don't know if you guys are like a fan of Brussels sprouts. I am. They're delicious and they're really good for you. So why not have them? It's a really hearty vegetable. These look great. Got a little wind action. We have really beautiful weather right now. It's amazing. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna turn it down to just a flicker because this is almost done. So it's almost done. They're all fire roasted. I actually might take this and toss it real quick just to get a little bit of a longer cook. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Looks beautiful. These are absolutely incredible. Should we try one? Just to see? Let's see if it has crunch on it or if it's cooked. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mmm. That's really, really good. So, still has good crunch. It's got more time on it. I know it does. Let's go ahead and pull these out. Whoo-wee. Look at those puppies. Let's see here. I want to season them a little bit more. Kind of tried them and they weren't as salty as I want them to be. That's okay. Oh my goodness. Let's give them one good go, and then we are almost done. Cool. Okay. So now I'm going to turn the Koda off, you guys. It's done. We're going to take it out now. Look at that. That looks awesome. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to use this board. Just 'cause it's a little hot. Perfect. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and dig into this bad boy. I'm actually pretty impressed with this so far. So let's try the pork chop. Pork chop is perfectly cooked through. Looks delicious. Let's see. Wow. So the pork chop is perfectly cooked. You would cook it just like you normally do. When it's done, it's done. The grill marks are pretty good. Again, it's a nice thing to use for the Koda. Just another way to cook. Let's go ahead and try these Brussels sprouts. So look at this. We got perfect crunch on there. See if you guys can see that. Let's see what this tastes like. That is really good. So the vegetables are still crunchy, which I want. I want that kind of tender, crisp kind of flavor. But again, super impressed with this machine. You guys, in the comments, let me know what you think. You guys are my biggest fans, right? You guys pump me up. I'm gonna start doing some videos of pizza. I'm also gonna be doing, you know, like a Neapolitan style. Until next time, see you guys on the next episode.